Welcome to Sill's Kitchenette. Today I'm making cinnamon rolls. It's also called cinnabon. So let's start with me. I have 3.5 cup white flour. And I have 1 cup milk with 2 teaspoon yeast and mix it well. I add 1/4 cup icing sugar and 2 eggs. I forgot to pause this video by the way. So now I'm going to add the yeast and milk mixture slowly and make my dough accordingly. You can see how I'm doing. You can add gradually the milk mixture and make your dough accordingly. You have to knead this dough precisely, just like I'm doing. I add 1/4 cup butter and again I'm kneading my dough. You can see the texture of my dough. It's not too sticky and it's not too slimy. It's just like thick and soft. After kneading my dough, it will rest for 1 hour for rising time. So I'm going to grease with some oil on the top of my dough and cover it with warm cloth, or you can cover it with cling sheet. So in this time period I'm going to make my cinnabons filling with some cinnamon powder and brown sugar, and next I'm going to ready my frosting with some cream cheese, unsalted butter, cream and icing sugar. I forgot to add the cream, so I added later. So yep. After a good 1 hour, my dough is beautifully rised. You can see it's so bouncy and soft. Now I'm going to toss this well. Now I'm going to flatten my dough with my hands and press it well, and then after I'll use a rolling pin to make my dough more thinner to make my perfect cinnabon rolls. After a thin layer of my dough, you can see it's totally flattened and not very thick and not very thin. It's just, you can see the size of this dough. Now I'm going to apply some melted butter on the top of the dough all over. You can see you can do it with your hands better. You can use brush as well, but I don't use it because I was not satisfied, so I need to do this with my hands and spreading butter all over my dough. Now it's time to sprinkle some brown sugar and cinnamon powder. Now slowly I'm going to roll it with very precise hands. You can see you have to do all over equally to make your roll very even. So just like I'm doing. Now it's time to cut your cinnabons in your desired size, and just like I'm doing. Now I'm going to grease my pan to put my cinnabons into it, and it will take again 20 minutes to proof them properly, because it will have to rise in size again. Like it will increase in size again after 20 to 25 minutes. You will see. After proofing my cinnabons, I'm going to put it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius, and you can check them. My cinnabons are ready. You can see the beautiful golden color, and they turned out really amazing. I'm going to glaze some butter on the top of my cinnabons and some frosting, and I am in love with my cinnabons. Really amazing. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more recipes. Follow my Instagram account, and do tell me about the feedback in the comments section. I'll post all the ingredients in the description box. I'll come back soon with your recipe. Take care.